my name is Tiffany. I am a stylist out of Atlanta, Georgia. Today we will be selling our Curl Kinks and Company texture clip-ins. Hi, Ella.
Hello.
So, let me tell you a little bit about Curl Kinks and Company texture fiber clip-ins. It has 9 pieces and it's pretty much perfect fit for your head, no matter what your head size is. You pretty much don't have to use all of it, but the great thing about it is that this one pack does your whole head. So we're gonna get started on the install. It comes in different, different lengths as far as the weft. So you will have a 9-inch, a 7-inch, a 5-inch, and a 3-inch. So we're gonna get started.
I'm so excited.
Very bouncy, very soft, very fluffy. This would be a very lightweight hairstyle. It's not heavy at all. It's really thick, so the coverage will be very great. So you really don't need nothing but 9 pieces. So we're gonna start with what you would wanna do. I'll turn you around. Just pretty much measure the back of her head. Everybody's neckline is not the same. Like this is our 6-inch. So if you wanna do it like that, you can. But in my opinion, I think we should do 5. So I'm gonna separate it. So usually, some stylists or, if you do it yourself, usually people will leave out hair in between, but sometimes that's not a good option for some people. So I decided to show you how to do it with your hair actually braided down. It's much easier. Like if you say you're coming out of a sew-in and you just wanna change your hair out real quick for an event or something, this is like a really quick hairstyle. It should take no more than 15 minutes. So we're gonna start out with a 7. And you basically just put it down in her braid. I'm gonna come around this way. And it has a great hold. Great hold. Not going anywhere. I'm gonna go back in with another 7-inch. And you can arrange it how it's comfortable for you. I don't think the 7-inch will do good right here. So we're gonna go, with a 6. Because the great thing about it, if whatever you don't use in the back, you can still rearrange it in the top part to accommodate the style. I kind of want Ella's to fall in her face. So you see how easy that is? It's flat, still bouncy. Got a lot of stuff in there. And go to the other side. Hold on, this is amazing. Amazing. This is 100% fiber, so if you would like to use mousse, if you would like to use water, you can use your favorite foam wrap, whatever works for you to accommodate the style. I'm letting you know that you can actually use all those products on this hair and it's safe. And because it's texture, it's not requiring any heat. All right, so we got the back end. I'm gonna turn Miss Beautiful Ella around. And because the coverage is so good, I made it kind of full in the back, but right here is gonna be like a nice little gap, but that's okay because you're not gonna see it. You okay, Ella?
Yeah.
Okay. Very seamless. This is a very seamless hairstyle. So you can actually look like you walked out of a salon and you've been in there all day and you have not. How does it feel, Ella?
It feels so good. It feels so light now.
Pretty.
You're so good.
Not that yet.
Okay.
So right now, how many pieces do we have left? We have 4 pieces left, which means Ella has 5 pieces of hair in her head. And we only been working on it maybe like 5 minutes, if that long. So right here in the top, because I want it to fall over her face or in her face, I kind of slanted it and it kind of would be the same way you would do any other hair install. You just really direct it how you want to have it installed. So are they comfortable?
Yes.
You're still smiling?
It's really easy.
Good. And look, we're down to our last 2 pieces.
Sorry, y'all. Ella's tall. Do you
I
want
gotta
me to
stand on
do
my tippy toes. Okay, and for this side, I'm gonna come over here so I can see. I should have seen how long it took. So we are done with our install. Now we're gonna do our blend, where we blend her hair in with the hair to make it look way more natural. I would say if I had to guess the time frame for this, it took us under 10 minutes to do this full hairstyle. So basically you can do a 15-minute hairstyle with the blend in with the Sensational Curl Kinks texture clip-ins. So we're gonna untwist. And when you untwist it, just kind of take your time and do it so you can, like if you do a leave out, just when you do the leave out, kind of make sure you do it to the point where it's gonna blend with the curl pattern. So like if you use our texture clip-ins, we have them in straight as well. And you can just pretty much straighten your hair and blend it in with the product. Only thing I have on Ella hair right now is the little water and some mousse. And we're gonna go in with a, what would you call that, edge control to smooth everything else in. And see how her hair is already blending with that.
Can I put heat on this hair?
Well, it's 100% fibrous, so you cannot put any heat on it, but when you do the straight ones, you can put bare minimum. And I would say no more than 300 degrees. But for this, you can actually just spray it down with some water, like I said before, or mousse or foam wrap, maybe some good styling gel, you know, whatever is gonna accommodate the style at the time. Since I already put mousse on her, I'm gonna start with a little water. And you do want to be gentle as far as your blend. Her curl pattern pretty much matches with this hair. So we really just gonna use the product. And one thing that you need to know about curly hair, whether it's synthetic or it's human, if you use the right products on your hair, they need to be a little heavy so it can blend in, but your hair will conform to the curl pattern. But this will also make it look more natural. And the girls, we love natural hair. So Ella shared with me that she loves baby hairs. For all you girls that love baby hairs, we're gonna use a little edge control and smooth her in on this edges. And we're just gonna smooth her other side in as well. I'm gonna give her some nice baby hairs. If you don't like baby hairs, that's fine too. You can really just smooth it in. Just make it look as natural as possible. I like big hair. You like big hair?
I do.
Okay. And then again, just a little jam just to complement her curl pattern, to blend it in. So I won't look so separated. Because it's a little heavier. Get it, Ella. It's looking pretty. So it gave you more like a natural root. But I'm just moving this some more, I'm sorry. It blends, I just don't think I have the right products. Yeah, to make it blend like I need to. And that's okay. But you can use this for the ones that want to do leave out. But we're gonna do more like a flip over. They're also easy to remove. So if you need to change your style, if you don't like it like we just did, you just can remove it. One. Oh, that Ella.
Of course.
No pulling on your hair. Super, super easy. I think I'm gonna just take out like maybe 4. Yeah, this is gonna be much better. Because now I ain't gotta worry about. Okay, perfect. So now we're gonna do some baby hairs. I'm gonna smooth this in, but the hair gonna fall over it because it's a flip over. So when it comes to baby hairs, they take a little minute. It's not something that you can just do perfect the first time. And depending on your hair texture, it takes some good product. You have very curly hair.
Thank you.
Yeah, once you put product on it, it's curly. But whatever gets the style to be smooth. This hair is, these clip-ins are easy to maintain outside on your own as far as a DIY style. I'm pretty much, like I said, I'm gonna wet it down with water, but you can use products of your choice. It will not hurt to do your choice of foam wrap, your choice of mousse. This hair is really soft, so it's gonna really be hard to make it like super hard and crunchy unless it's older. But you can do your daily maintenance with a regular spray bottle. It adapts to water really well. If you're not into like really, really big hair, this will calm it down. So you can see how like more relaxing makes the hair. And as far as separation, I wouldn't actually comb it or brush it. I would just basically separate the hair, finger comb it more so. Be very gentle with it. This hair can last you as many times as you can make it last just with the proper maintenance. So all I can really say is just really be gentle. You don't need to apply any heat. Use products of your choice. And as you can see, it's pretty layered already, so it fell into an actual style. This is 14 inches. This is our Move Maker, 14 inches and 1B on my model Ella Sensational, Curl Kinks and Company. Let's turn her around. It's really full, only 9 pieces. And you can see how bouncy it is. If you want big hair, you can just scrunch it with your hands like here. You don't see any of her hair in the back. It's great coverage. 1 pack. And that concludes our installation with our clip-ins from Curl Kinks and Company by Sensational. We want to thank you for watching. Me and my beautiful model, Ella. Thank you.
Thank you.
And please, please, please go by Sam's Beauty and get all your hair products. See you next video.
Bye.
Bye.